Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the direct effective earning method, which is CPA marketing. You maybe know the CPA marketing, and it's already it's very secret method, and here a lot of offers here. I will share you this network and how can you promote. I will just set up. I will just show you, and I will guide you. How can you earn money daily? Okay. So today I will show you all the steps you will get. So the network name is AppMine, CPA Grip, CPA Elite, a lot of network. But today I will show you the AppMine. Okay, so go to the appmine.com first. First go to the appmine.com. AppMine is very popular network. You already know. It's AppMine. You already see my conversion. I am not. I frequently work. That's why 4.20 already added. It's frequently work. If I will do daily work, then there will be a lot of earning. So, of course, we have to go choose the offer. Here you see a lot of dashboard, offers, browse, reports, incentive, developer to famous everything. It's very popular network for CPM marketing. You will get a lot of conversion here. Okay, so go to the browse here, browse option here. And a lot of option, you will see that a lot of option here, a lot of option and a lot of offer here. Just pick one offer which will be convert more. Just pick one offer, and I think which will you will get more earning from here. Just pick one offer from here. Okay, a lot of offer here. Just see that which you want to work. Suppose if you want to promote Netflix, work for Netflix offer, then you can promote its email submit offer. Just do your client will be the email submit, or your customer will be the email submit, nothing do that. And in second offer, Marvel, third offer, YouTube, fourth offer, you see the YouTube video editor is all our USA offer, not another country. Canada offer also available, all country available, but you have to choose one product one offer which will be convert more. So maybe the USA offer may convert more than other country. Australia offers are available. So I think you also see that here conversion rate is $2.10. If you convert daily 10 to 20, I think your money will be like $20 per day. And if you work very hard more, then you will get 100 to 200 daily from this offer. So how can you promote this offer? You can promote this offer via Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn, and many social media. Okay, just go to here and press this product here. Just choose one product, and you can do landing pages, or you can do another website and add this product, add this offer, and promote this offer through free marketing or paid marketing. So, which you want to pick for here, just go to here today, apply here. If you don't get any apply, just apply here today. I'll give my referral link at mine. Here you will get you at mine referral link. If you want to open this network, then go to my description link. Here you can open your account from my affiliate link, because you will get approved. Everyone already maybe don't question something. If you apply from my link, then they will not ask you any question, and you will get approved. So today, this is the best video ever. I think it will help you a lot to get earning more. And just choose a product from here. And the next video, I will show you how can you promote this offer in different social media, and you can earn more. Thank you very much for watching this video.